In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a repeater on Wix. Whether you're tidying up your website or making design changes, handling repeaters can be essential. Luckily, it's a straightforward process. By the end of this short guide, you'll know exactly how to do it. So, let's jump right in. First, we need to head over to Wix's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in wix.com in the address bar. Then hit Enter. Now, you should see the main page of the Wix website. If you haven't already done so, you'll need to either create a new Wix account or log in to an existing one. On the home page, there will be options to sign up or log in at the top right corner of your screen. If you're creating a new account, simply follow the prompts to input your information and verify your email. For those who already have an account, go ahead and click Log In. Enter your credentials, and you'll be taken to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the project you want to edit. On your dashboard, you'll see a list of your sites. Click on the project you wish to make changes to. This action will open your Wix editor, where all the magic happens. Now that you've got your project open in the editor, proceed to find the repeater you want to remove from your page. You can typically recognize a repeater as a component that displays multiple items in a uniform manner. It's a flexible tool often used to showcase products, team members, or any information structure you wish to replicate across your page. Once you've located the repeater, click directly on it. By doing so, you'll highlight the whole element for editing. If you're having trouble picking out the repeater itself, try hovering your cursor over sections of your page until you see the outline of the element you wish to remove. With the repeater selected, you're just a step away from removing it. Here, you have two options. You can simply press the Delete button on your keyboard, or alternatively, right-click on the repeater and select Delete from the context menu that appears. Either way, this will erase the repeater from your page. And there you have it. Once you've pressed Delete, the entire repeater is removed from the page. You can now continue with other edits or head back to the dashboard. Remember, changes in your Wix editor usually save automatically, but it never hurts to double-check by clicking on the Save button at the top. I hope you found this guide helpful. Removing elements in Wix can feel daunting at first, but with just a few clicks, you can adjust your site precisely how you like it. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.